Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. I hope you are having an amazing day. Today we are diving quite literally into one of the most exciting celebrations of the year. You know why? Because today is International Scuba Day. So now let me ask you a question. Have you ever wondered what lies beneath the surface of the ocean? I say we admire beaches, we enjoy sunsets, we love watching waves. But beneath those waves exists an entirely different world. A world filled with colorful coral reefs, graceful sea turtles, curious fish, mysterious shipwrecks, and breathtaking underwater landscapes. So today let's celebrate the incredible adventure of scuba diving, discover its fascinating history, learn some fun facts and understand why protecting our ocean is everyone's responsibility. So grab your imaginary diving gear because we are going underwater. Okay, so what is scuba diving? First thing first, what exactly is scuba diving? Scuba stands for self-contained underwater breathing apparatus. Sounds technical, doesn't it? Simply put, scuba diving allows people to breathe underwater using special equipment. So instead of holding your breath, you carry your own air supply and explore the underwater world safely. Now imagine walking through an underwater forest instead of a regular one. That's scuba diving. So there's a different world beneath the surface. Did you know that about 71% of our planet is covered with water? And that's more than 2/3 of Earth. And yet here's something even more surprising. Scientists estimate that around 80% of the ocean remains unexplored. Now think about that. We know more about parts of the moon than we do about our own oceans. So how amazing and mysterious is that? The ocean truly is Earth's final frontier. Okay, so now there's a history related to scuba diving. So International Scuba Day is a relatively new celebration. So the first official celebration took place in 2023. So its purpose is simple: to celebrate scuba diving, bring together ocean lovers and encourage people to protect our seas. But the story of scuba diving began much earlier. The date celebrates an important milestone from July 6, 1926, when the Fennes Le Prieur diving apparatus was introduced. And this invention made it possible for humans to explore underwater more safely than ever before. Years later, scuba technology continued to improve. Then in 1952, the word scuba officially became the acronym we know today. Jacques Cousteau, the ocean explorer. No conversation about scuba diving is complete without mentioning Jacques Cousteau. He was one of history's greatest ocean explorers. Together with engineer Émile Gagnon, he developed the Aqua Lung, one of the first practical underwater breathing systems. Because of pioneers like Cousteau, millions of people have been able to safely explore the underwater world. He didn't just inspire divers, he inspired generations to care about our oceans. Now imagine your first dive. Close your eyes for a moment. Imagine stepping into crystal clear blue water. You slowly descend. The sounds of the world disappear. Everything becomes peaceful. Tiny colorful fish swim beside you. Sea turtles glide effortlessly. Sunlight filters through the water like sparkling diamonds. Coral reefs bloom with colors you have never seen before. It almost feels like visiting another planet. And that's why so many divers describe scuba diving as life-changing. Now there are like fun facts about scuba diving, and let's have some fun with a few amazing facts. Fish don't make as much noise as you might expect underwater. Coral reefs support nearly 25% of all marine species, even though they cover only a tiny portion of the ocean floor. Sea turtles have existed for over 100 million years. And octopuses are incredibly intelligent and can solve puzzles and escape small space. Because most sharks are far less interested in humans than movies make us believe. Nature is full of surprises, and why divers love the ocean. People often ask, why would anyone want to go underwater? Divers usually answer with one word: for peace. Underwater. Okay, so there are no traffic noises, no phone notifications, no deadlines, just calm breathing, gentle movement, and nature at its most beautiful. It's almost like meditation beneath the sea. Okay, so now scuba diving and marine conservation. So scuba diving isn't only about adventure. It is also about responsibilities. Divers often witness firsthand how pollution affects marine life. Okay, like plastic bottles, fishing nets, damaged coral reefs. And seeing these problems up close inspires many divers to become ocean protectors. Like every clean beach, every reusable bottle, every reduced plastic bag, and that makes a difference. You know why? Because there's a good news in it, and here's some it. You don't need to be a certified diver to celebrate International Scuba Day. What you can do is that you can watch ocean documentaries and read books about marine life. Visit an aquarium, reduce plastic waste, participate in a beach cleanup, learn underwater photography. Okay, every small action supports healthier ocean. Okay, so there are like movies that bring the ocean to life. If you're looking for inspiration, here are a few wonderful films. First is Finding Nemo, a beautiful story about family, courage, and ocean life. Second is The Little Mermaid, a timeless underwater adventure full of imagination. Third is My Octopus Teacher, an award-winning documentary that beautifully explores the relationship between a diver and a wild octopus. It's heartfelt, educational, and reminds us how intelligent marine life truly is. So these films help us appreciate the beauty beneath the waves. Now what you can learn from the ocean is that ocean teaches patience, respect, curiosity, humility. It reminds us that we are only a small part of something much greater. So every wave has a story, every coral reef supports life, every creature plays an important role in the ecosystem. Talking about my personal reflection, well, I would like to say that even though I may not have explored the deep ocean myself, learning about scuba diving has reminded me how much beauty still exists in places we have never seen. And sometimes the greatest adventures begin with curiosity. The ocean encourages us to explore not only the world around us but also our own courage to try something new. So here's our International Scuba Day challenge for today. Learn one new fact about the ocean. Watch a marine documentary. Replace one single-use plastic item with a reusable one. Or simply spend a few minutes appreciating how important our oceans are to life on Earth. Because small actions create big change. As we celebrate International Scuba Day, let's remember that the ocean is more than a destination. It is home to extraordinary life. It regulates our climate. It provides food and oxygen. And it reminds us that there is still so much left to discover. So whether you are an experienced diver or someone who simply loves the sea from the shore, today is a wonderful opportunity to celebrate exploration, adventure, and conservation. Thank you so much for joining me. Now I would love to hear from you. You know what? I really want to know that if you could scuba dive anywhere in the world, where would you go first? So share your dream destination in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share it with your fellow ocean lovers. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and remember, the greatest adventures often begin beneath the surface. Happy International Scuba Day.